The Staircraft Group were established almost 40 years ago and today are the world's largest staircase manufacturer and Europe's only I-joist and floor kit manufacturer. This video shows the benefit of Staircraft's Cool-Off app and how to use it. Staircraft's Cool-Off app is a quick and easy way to cool off the products you need. It eliminates phone calls and chaser emails by keeping you updated with your delivery via text and email. First, head over to the App Store or Google Play Store and search for Staircraft Cool-Off app. Select Get or Install to download the app. Once the app is downloaded, open the app to view the menu. Select the Cool-Off calendar and see the estimated delivery date for your chosen week. Then, go back to the menu to select the product you would like to cool off. Enter the information for each field, starting with the name of the company, the site, and select your Staircraft region. This is shown on your Staircraft contact card. Enter your name, email address, and mobile number. This will only have to be done for your first submission. It will remember your details for subsequent submissions. On the calendar, select the week you would like your delivery. Please note, greyed out dates aren't available to cool off as they are under the agreed lead times. Add any additional information to the notes section, then enter the purchase order number. Now click on Add Cool-Off to enter the plot details as requested. First fix is the staircase and newel posts. Second fix is the balustrades and second fix newel posts. If you select first and second fix, a delay button will appear on the previous page. To select the correct handing, you must determine the hand of the staircase. You should do this by always standing at the bottom of the staircase, looking up to see which side the wall is. Enter the information for the remaining boxes and click Save. This is the delay button that will appear underneath the calendar, giving you the option to delay second fix deliveries up to 4 weeks. Before submitting, ensure you tick the box that allows Staircraft to send you updates via text or email. You are now ready to submit your cool-off. Once submitted, you will now receive an automated text or email confirming your cool-off submission. Once it has been processed, you'll receive updates about your delivery via text or email, letting you know when the product will arrive on site. Staircraft's Cool-Off app is fast, easy, accurate and informative. For more information, Staircraft have plenty of guidance documents available. Download the Staircraft Install app or visit our website www.staircraftgroup.com and click on the Resource Centre button.